Hello friend, it's my pleasure to welcome you guys to my channel, Ezel Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video we're going to learn how to create this particular sunburst effect using your CorelDraw step-by-step tutorial. With that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you get it done. Okay. So I'm going to zoom out, Control plus zoom out, then H to move the to activate my move tools. Okay, now the first thing you have to do right here is to go to your toolbar, double click on the rectangle tools. This allow you to create a page border. Okay, next step you have to take is to go to your circle or ellipse. So when you select on that, then you have to press Control key down, and this allow you to draw a perfect circle. So you can see the angle size is 121 by 121 pixels. So once you are able to draw a perfect, once you are able to draw a perfect circle, so you have to press P to centralize the circle. So you can as well adjust it. So this depends on how you want the center point to be. Next thing you have to do here is to make sure you go back to your toolbar and select your pen tools. So having selected your pen tools, then you can just draw a straight line with pen tools. Press Shift key down and draw. Then for you to cut the pen tools, you have to press Control key down and click once. Then this allow the pen tools to cut off. Okay. Next thing you have to do is to make sure you press P to centralize this into the shape. So and then you have to take it to the center, to the top. And make it snap to the circle. Okay. Next thing you have to do is to press Shift key and select the page border. Then press letter C on your keyboard. This allows you to center it in the center point. Next step you have to take is to select the stroke. Now, when you select the stroke, you have to come to the center point, double click, and this allows you to bring out the rotation pin. Then take your rotation pin and snap to the center of the circle. You are good to go. Next step you have to take is to go to your home tab right here, go to window. From window you have to look for Dockers. So from Dockers you have to look for transform, or you press Alt plus F7 on your keyboard. This allows you to have a rotation Docker in your Corel workspace. Then once you get to this point, you have to make sure you choose rotate. Once you choose rotate, type in 9 here and make sure this is 40. And once you're done, you click on apply. So once you apply, this allows you to rotate all this in around the shape. So once you get to this point, the next thing you have to do is to select the border. Now right click on the border and make sure you choose go to header. Then from header and make to the front page. Okay. Now, next thing you have to do is to look for your rotation, your smart features. So we can easily delete this circle right here. So you have to come to the toolbar right here, right? Click on, hold down, and make sure you select your smart fill. So having selected your smart fill, then you can begin to fill it with one after the other, like this. Control Z. Control Z. Boom. Now the next thing you have to do right here is to make sure you press Shift key on your keyboard and select those areas you are able to fill. So you can just drag it out to be sure that you are able to select everything. So once you are able to select everything, you can easily come to the home tab right here and make sure you choose Word. so it become a single object. So you can just take Control C to make it a copy. And once you copy it, let me zoom in. So once you copy it, you can just select everything right here and press delete key. Delete. Then you have to press Control V to paste. Then you have to press P to centralize. So next thing you have to do is to come to the toolbar right here and make sure you double click to create a new page border. Then you have to go back to the shape. You have to go back to the shape and come to the home tab right here. Make sure you remove the stroke. Once you remove the stroke, you can come back to the background and change the color to stuff like this. So you can choose any type of color of your choice. Once you change the color, next thing you have to do is to select the shape right now. So when you select the shape, you have to look for your transparent feed tools. So you go to your transparent feed tools. Having selected your transparent feed tools, then you have to come to the home tab here and make sure you choose fonting. So having choose a fonting, you have to come here and make sure you choose rectangular fonting transparent. So once you choose that, then you have to apply blend effect. Choose multiply. So you can choose any one of the effects right here. You are good to go. And this is just a simple step on how best you can also select right from this drop down and choose variety of the options right here. So there are a lot of options that you can use on the CorelDraw as the case may be. So this is how you can create a simple you can select everything right now and right click to remove the stroke. So this is how you can create a simple sunburst text background effect in CorelDraw tutorial step by step. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.